The following message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Agency. A mouse and a cow were spotted running around crazy inside stores. The cow and mouse are expected to be our criminals, Mickey and Error. All residents of Europe are advised to stay indoors, lock all windows and doors, and move to a fallout shelter immediately. This is not a test. All residents are advised to stay indoors for 5 days. If you spot these criminals, get away from them as they are armed and dangerous and call 911. Stay tuned for more information of this dangerous situation. We have interrupted our regular program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. We have interrupted our regular programming to bring you this civil emergency message. This is a national emergency. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Multiple reports say that Mickey and Clarabelle are activating the teleporter again. Residents say that it is Minnie Error returning back to the world again, as now the Errors have 3 members. 2 members of the Young Guns, Christopher Taylor and Danielle O'Brien, are heading to Europe to end them once and for all. Please stay tuned to this station for more updates. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the Europe area. Breaking news, this is Timmy speaking. The Errors are believed to be heading to Italy at this time, and also another extremely sad news to the world. Christopher Taylor, age 19, was killed by Mickey. Danielle O'Brien managed to escape the shooting, but at this time, Danielle O'Brien isn't known at this time. As of now, another Young Gun member has died, as Christopher Taylor died of several gunshot wounds in the head. Rest in peace, Christopher. You will be missed. As now, thanks for hearing the news. I am Timmy, and stay indoors. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Europe Police Department. Police are looking for a Young Gun member, Danielle O'Brien. Danielle was believed to be taken by Minnie Error. Christian Gallardo, Kelly Kester, and Amy Lloyd are on search as well for their teammate, as Danielle can be in danger right now by the Errors. If you see the Errors, immediately call 911. Stay tuned for more information of this dangerous situation. Breaking news, a shooting has taken place in the city of Barcelona, as now confirmed 71 people killed. As of now, the perpetrator and that is responsible for the shooting is Mickey Error. Mickey had used a 47 to target any people. If you see these criminals, immediately call 911. And also, Danielle O'Brien is still missing. Thanks for hearing Europe News. The following message is transmitted of the request of the Emergency Management Agency. The member Danielle O'Brien was found safe at a cave. She was found by our members, Christian Gallardo, Kelly Kester, and Amy Lloyd. The Young Guns also have a new member in their team. His name is Clarence Callahan. The Young Guns also found a letter that leads to the Errors plan, but still, Mickey, Clarabelle, and Minnie are still out there. As of now, stay tuned for more information of this dangerous situation. We have interrupted our regular programming to bring you this civil emergency message. This is a national emergency. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Mickey, Clarabelle, and Minnie have completely destroyed Europe, as now the errors had disappeared again, but they will return soon, and now, all of the entire world are prepared in case of the errors return again. The upcoming attack of the errors won't be easy. Please stay tuned to this station for more updates.